guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to solve the 13th problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I'm going to solve problem number 40, combination sum 2. Okay, so in this problem we have given a collection of candidate numbers. Okay, so one candidate's array given to us and a target number. Okay, one target number is given to us. We have to find all the unique combinations. Okay, unique combinations in candidates where the candidate numbers sum to target. Okay, so this is important word, unique combinations. Okay, and each number in candidates may only be used once in the combination. Okay, it's not like we can use this 10 2 3 times. Okay, we can only use this once only. And this is one more important line: the solution set must not contain duplicate combinations. Okay, so now let's understand this. Okay, so this is candidates array given to us. Okay, so here what are the different combinations that I can do to get this target? Okay, so one thing that I can do here, I can use this one, and I can use this one, and I can use this 6. Okay, so 1 6 1. Okay, so this is one combination, right? In this I'm getting the sum equal to my target. Okay, I can also use this 2 and 6, right? 2 and 6. Okay, I can use this 1 and 7. Okay, can I use this 1 and this 7? No, I can't use this 1 and 7 because I have already found one combination of this 1 and this 7, so I can't use that. Okay, so I have to ignore this one. Okay, and what is the other combination that I can do here? So 1 2 and 5. Okay, this is one more combination, 1 2 and 5. Okay, can I use this combination, this one, then this 2, and then this 5? Can I use that? No, I can't use that. Okay, because I already have this combination. Okay, so our solution set must not contain duplicate numbers. Okay, so this is important point here. Okay, so now let's see how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so here let me just write my candidates array. So 10 1 2 7, and then we have 6 1 and 5. Okay, 6 1 and 5. Okay, so this is nothing but my candidates array. So first thing that I'm going to do here, I'm going to sort it. Okay, so why I'm going to sort it? To remove the duplicates. Okay, because it is going to help me remove the duplicates. So after sorting, how my candidates array is going to look like: 1 1, then we have 2, then we have 5, then we have 6, then we have 7, then we have 10. Okay, so this is how my candidates array look like. So see, now duplicates will come together. Okay, if I just sort my array, candidates array. Okay, so now it is going to help me just to remove the duplicates. Okay, so now after sorting this, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to iterate over all the elements one by one. Okay, and every time I have two options, whether I want to take this element, okay, take this element, or whether I don't want to take this element. Okay, I have this combination. Okay, so if I take this, then definitely what is the target here? Target that I want to achieve here is 8. Okay, so this is my target, 8. Okay, so if I take this element, then my target will become 7. Okay, if I don't take this element, then my target still remains 8 only. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, after that what will happen? After that, let's suppose my I is going to move to the next position. Okay, not here, not here. Okay, then again I have to check different combinations, but first let's see. I took 1 here. Okay, then my target will become 7. After that, let's suppose I took 2. Okay, after 1, let's suppose I took 2. So then my target, what is going to be my target? 1 plus 2 3. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, then my target, remaining target is 5. Okay, then after that, after this one, I am saying that if I took this 2, then after this 2, if I took this 5, okay, then my target will become 0. Okay, I am decreasing my target one by one. So I get one combination here, 1 2 5. Okay, now next time, let's suppose I am at this position, and here again I took this one and I didn't took this one. Okay, so again here first element is going to be 1, then my target will be 7. So again here at this step, again I am going to get this value again, 1 to 5, which is going to give me the sum equal to target 8. But I don't want this duplicate now, right? So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to check if the element at this index, okay, is matching with the element at this index. Okay, so I'm going to check if my candidates of I is matching with my candidates of I minus 1. Okay, obviously I will also check that my I value should be greater than index. Okay, this index should be valid. Okay, so this is what I'm going to check. Okay, if it is true, if this value is matching with this value, I'm going to skip this. I'm going to skip this step because this one is already giving me this result 1 to 5. I don't want the same result here for this one. Okay, so that is why we have to sort this candidates array. Okay, and see, every time we have two options, right? Either we want to take it or we don't want to take it. Okay, so my time complexity for this problem is going to be 2 raised to power n. Okay, and let's suppose there are total n elements, so I can say that n into 2n. Okay, so now let's write the code. Okay, and you guys will get more clear idea. Okay, so I'm going to implement backtracking here. So here, first thing, we have to return the result in the list of integers, right? So my output is like this, list of integers. Okay, and inside this we have list of integer. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one list of integer. I'm going to name it as a result, and let's initialize it, new array list. Same way, I'm going to create one list of integer and I'm going to name it as current. Okay, so this is the first thing that we need to do every time. Okay, new array list. Okay, once this is done, then I am saying that let's sort this candidates array. Okay, to remove duplicacy. So reason behind we are doing the backtracking is we have to find all the combinations. Okay, we have to find the combinations, all the combinations. So definitely I have to backtrack every time. So that's the reason we are thinking about backtracking here in this problem. Okay, so I have sorted this candidates array. Now I'm just going to call one method solve, and inside this solve I'm just going to pass my candidates array. I'm going to pass my target. What is the target that I want to achieve? I'm going to pass my current array list. I'm going to pass my total array list. Okay, complete array result, and initially my starting index is 0 only. Okay, and here it is going to give me return the result. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let's write the code for this solve method. Okay, so here let's create one method, public void solve, and inside this pass candidates array, pass my target, then pass my current array list, then why I'm writing this here. Okay, and then pass my result array list, and then here just pass my current index int I. Okay, now inside this let's see what we are going to do. So here if my target is less than 0, okay, if my target is less than 0, then in that case we have to just simply return. We don't need to do anything. Okay, and if my target is equal to 0, then definitely that means that we have get one list in which the sum is equal to my target. Okay, so if my target becomes 0, then in that case in my final result array list, which is nothing but list of integers, in this result I'm just going to add my current array list, new array list current. That's it. Okay, this is done, and simply return from here. Then after that let's run one loop for int, let me name it as index. Okay, so int I is equal to index starting, and I is less than my candidate's total length, just increment the value of my I, and inside this few things that we have to check if it is a duplicate. Okay, so if I should be greater than my index, okay, and my candidates of I, it should be equal to candidates of I minus 1. Simply means we have already got the result with the previous I value, so we just need to skip it. Continue, that's it. Okay, then what we have to do, in my current list I'm just going to add the value which is available at this candidates of I. Okay, then simple recursion every time. Just copy this method, paste it here, and now definitely if I am adding the candidates of I, so my target will be reduced, right? So here target minus candidates of I. Okay, and current remains same, result same, result is going to be same. Then here this value will be incremented. Okay, I is going to move to the next position definitely. And if I don't want to include that, okay, then we have to just remove this. Okay, in this current I am just going to remove the element. What is the size of my current array list? Current dot size minus 1. Okay, so why is this step? So this step is reason behind this. Okay, so see here, after sorting, what I need target as 8. So let's say I have added this one, then I have added this one, then I have added this 2. I didn't get this target 8 yet. Okay, 1 plus 2, 1, 2 plus 4. Okay, then after that I have added this 5. Now what I get? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. Okay, so this 9 value is greater than my target, so I don't want to add this. Okay, let's take any other case. Okay, can I use this 6? Can I use this 7? No, I don't want, because I have already sorted the array, right? So I can include this step here if I want. Okay, so let's add that step as well. I don't want to check all these numbers because these numbers are already greater than. Okay, so let's do one more thing here. I'm just going to add one additional thing here. If my candidates of I is greater than target, then I'm just going to break early stopping. That's it. Okay, so this is done. Then I didn't get any combination using 1, 1, 2 and any other number. So after that I am going to remove this 2. Then I will try other combination like 1, 1, and let's try with 5. Let's try after adding 6. Okay, this is not going to give me result, so I'm going to remove this one also. Okay, then for this one, after that I'm going to try other combinations. Okay, so that is why I'm writing this. Okay, so now let's run it and see if there are any code issues. So in line 2 we are getting this issue now. Where is my result? Okay, so here I should have copied this completely now. I didn't write a result here. Let me do that. This is done. Now let's run it. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.